Hi guys, welcome back to Reviews, Challenges, Build. It has been a long time since I've done a video. So today I'm doing my unboxing of my new handcuffs. They're already unboxed. I couldn't wait. So here's the box. It comes in a green box. Designed for official police use only, and these are the double locking handcuffs. At the back we have our instructions, and it came in this brown paper, like a lunch bag paper type, and it came in this plastic bag. Let's go ahead and put this back in, and let's move on to our handcuffs. First of all, these are the keys. So it only came in this thin keychain, but I added two more, so the key stays better. So here are the keys. The double locking system's right here. Here are the handcuffs itself, and these are real. These are not a toy. So, and I'm gonna snap these on my hand. And I'm arrested now. And over here you have your keyhole, which I'm gonna go ahead and open soon. Here we go. Let's see if we can. And there we go. Mine's free. So the handcuffs are right here. This is how the double locking system works. You have this pin type thing, and then let me just come closer so you guys can see better. You have this pin, and then at the side you have this hole. You gotta push it. Did I push it? Yeah, you gotta push it so it locks in. This keeps the suspect's nerves from getting damaged, the double locking system. So it's like this. I'm moving it, but it's not moving. And then if you wanna unlock this, don't unlock it to the right. Unlock it to the left. You'll hear a click, and then unlock it this way, the other way. So that's how it works. And I'm gonna show you how the double locking system works by double locking both of my arms. So here we go, right here. Let me just press that. There we go. This hand's done. Let's move on to our next hand. This hand's done too. As you can see, these two are done. So now, I'm going to put my keyhole. I'm going to put this key into the keyhole and turn it around. Click. Oh. I already turned it around, so I can just turn it normally now. Just like that, and I unlocked it myself. So, same thing with this, is just do that. Wait, yeah, just click. Yeah, just do that. So here are the handcuffs. I hope you enjoyed. So that's pretty much it. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.